Welcome back, doctors. Now let's move on to the next question in our NEET Triple Test Series. Okay, as you can see here, the question states oxalates and citrates are used as anticoagulants in stored blood. Why? Okay, so basically, what's oxalate and citrate? They're nothing but our anions, right? They're negatively charged compounds, yes or no? Okay, so have that in mind. Okay, these are nothing but organic acids. Okay, so what's their role? What are some of the anticoagulants? I'll just shed some light on anticoagulants that is used in blood bankings, right? Okay. So what are the anticoagulants we have? EDTA and any other anticoagulants we have? That is CPDA, correct? So what's their role majorly? These, since they are anions, they just have some natural affinity towards the cations, right? So what is the cation? So there is one component, okay, one factor in our blood, which is both cation and it's also a clotting factor. What is that? That is our factor 4, calcium, correct? So what these EDTA and CPD are going to do? They are going to form ring with this calcium ion, correct? So that process is called chelation. So their major role is to chelate this calcium ion and make it inactive so that we are stopping the clotting process. Yes or no? Okay. But we are not going to stop with this. But the correct answer here is option 1. But why not vitamin K or potentiating antithrombin 3 and activating heparin? Okay. So basically we are not going to activate heparin. It is not going to activate heparin, right? The reason is obvious. Okay. So who potentiates antithrombin 3? That is our heparin. Okay. So they are not going to act as competitive inhibitors of vitamin K. Why? What's the role? It is done by warfarin, correct? But warfarin, so basically we do not use heparin and warfarin in our as an anticoagulant in blood bank. The reason is so simple. Warfarin, it takes longer time for it to exert its anticoagulant effect. And heparin, one thing, and one more thing, warfarin can only, in the previous question, if you remember, we have discussed what are all the vitamin K dependent clotting factors. Warfarin can inhibit all the only the vitamin K dependent clotting factors. Okay, but we have more than 12, 13 clotting factors, right? So warfarin has no role, and heparin it is being costly, and it has a shorter lifetime actually. Now heparin can store, we can use this. Its anticoagulant property is only limited for 4 to 5 hours. That's the reason. Okay. So EDTA, CPDA, these are the major anticoagulants that is used, and their function is to chelate the calcium ions, which is an essential clotting factor for anticoagulation. Right. Okay. I hope you got some idea with this question. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.